Okay, this is rescue number 112, and this is not a cat, this is a macaw. And this macaw is up in this magnolia tree here, and I cannot see it from the ground, so I'm going to have to free climb this tree, magnolia tree, to get it. But hopefully we'll be able to get it and get it down successfully. So we'll see what happens.
I got it. I'm braced.
You good?
Yep. I'm only 6 feet tall though.
Okay. That's good. All right. The rain continued to pour as I climbed up the magnolia tree. It probably rained 1.5 inches during the probably 2 hours that we spent trying to get the macaw down out of the magnolia tree.
Emmy, talk to her.
Finally, we were able to push it out of the magnolia tree into an ash tree, and then push it out of the ash tree back into the magnolia tree, and then push it out of the magnolia tree onto the ground, where they were able to secure it and wrap it up into a blanket and bring it inside with a heater and a warming pad. And the macaw was okay. Successful cat rescue, no, successful bird rescue 112.